fun with Kitty and Lou.
Cold enough for you?
Yes.
It's snow that's melted.
What's snow?
It's the white stuff on the top of mountains.
The mountains? Wow. Have you seen them?
Oh, yeah.
Haven't you?
You guys are so lucky to have wings. Eyes are coming! What are you doing, Kitty?
I'm wondering.
Are you?
Yeah. I'm wondering, what's it like to be a tree?
I've never thought about that.
Me neither. Let's try it.
What? Try it?
Let's try being trees.
Okay.
What's it like to be a tree?
Let's see. You just grow very slow. Don't you know, so very slow. No one can see, 'cause you're a tree.
What's it like to be a tree?
Let's see. You don't worry, never hurry, never do things in a flurry. You're as peaceful and calm as can be, 'cause you're a tree. Just be.
What's it like to be a tree?
You just be.
What's it like to
Be
be
a
a
tree.
Kitty,
Yeah?
did you see that?
What?
I think that tree moved.
You're kidding, right?
Nope.
Wow! Whoa.
Enormous foot! Giant face!
Oh dear, I've scared him.
Lou, don't be scared.
What? Scared? Me? Nope, never.
Hey, were you being a tree?
A tree?
You were being so still, like a tree.
Oh, yes. Well, I don't like to move until I'm sure there's no one around. I don't want to squash anyone.
Very thoughtful. Thank you. Hey, have you ever seen the mountains?
The mountains? Oh, yes. I see them every day.
Really? How?
I'll show you. Hop on.
Oh. Come on, Kitty. Don't be scared.
Hold on tight.
Oh, going up.
There they are.
What's that white stuff?
Snow.
Wow, Lou, you know everything.
Well, nearly.